Welcome to Techdive. Today I'm reviewing the Skywin VR cable management system. So the premise of the Skywin VR cable management system is that you have these things that stick to your ceiling or walls, and you have these with hooks on them, and then you have these little like pulleys, like retractable pulleys, kind of like a very small dog leash. You hook those together, and then they provide stretchy support for your VR cables to suspend them from the ceiling. Typically when you play VR and you have your cables all over the ground, you gotta like mine them, you gotta watch out, you gotta do some like foot tricks, some good footwork to avoid twisting up and ripping the cables out of your computer, destroying your HDMI ports and the very expensive cables that came with your headset. Well, this just solves the job. It's not very pretty, but it is really effective and it's really cheap. These cost 25 bucks right now. Go up, buy one. Links are in the description below. They're Techdive affiliate links. Go buy these. If you have a VR headset and you have room scale, buy them. I thought, oh, I don't need that. I'm okay with these cables. No, it's not okay. Like for real, this is easily the best $20 I have spent on my VR headset. Better than, like, it works. Now it's no wireless, right? But it is above and beyond. I mean, look at this. If I have my head, go all the way to the corner of the room, fine. Turn around, walk over here. Whoops, still fine. Oh, walk behind the camera, still fine. I'm not getting tangled up in the cord. It is one less thing my brain is distracted by in VR. The level of immersiveness in your games is going to go up. You're just going to be able to play your games for longer. Having the cords be pulled vertically actually helps with the weight of the headset itself, which is pretty interesting. But anyways, I'm Steven. This is Techdive. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out that affiliate link below. Check out other videos. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any of the VR accessories that are really awesome. I will review them. Thank you so much.